Hi, I'm Todd Turnquist with McNaughton-McKay. Today you will be learning about the Reynolds Company's Plant Packs Product Search and Compare.
What you're looking at here is a Plant PX demo and this is the overview screen giving you some information about the overall process. We're going to focus on some of the faceplates in the heating section. So I just opened up my layer 2 heating screen here. And the first group of faceplates we're going to look at are the pump control faceplates. There's a bank of 3 pumps there at the bottom of the screen. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at those faceplates and execute some functionality of those that you'll see in a second. But you can see here we're running in steady state. The set point changes periodically, so the process variables are following that. So this is a running demonstration application. And then so I've just opened up my pump bank control. As you can see from the home operation screen, number 1, we're in program mode, which means we're automatically running, but also we have 2 out of the 3 pumps are running, and that's indicated by the home screen there. Pumps 1 and 2 are both running here. Pump 3 is not running. So in this exercise, we're going to go ahead and put pump 2 into maintenance mode, just to demonstrate that it has to be worked on, etc. So we can do that from the maintenance tab of the faceplate here. You can see all these pumps are currently available. I'm going to go ahead and put pump 2 in maintenance mode. And that is going to automatically trigger pump 3 to start running through the program mode operation. So now I'm going to go back up to the home screen and you'll be able to see pump 2 is in maintenance mode, indicated there in the graphic, and pump 3 is now running along with pump 1. So now that gives maintenance the opportunity to go troubleshoot pump 2. The other thing I'd like to show you are some of the pump statistics that are available inside the faceplate. And again, these are standard off-the-shelf faceplates that come with Rockwell's Plant PX system. So you'll be able to see things like maximum running time, current running time, total accumulated running time, and you'll see that information there. You also have the ability to zero out these accumulation times, or we can just let them keep running. And so this is a really nice tool to have for the maintenance group to be able to track how long your pumps have been running, whether you need to take them in and out of service. And again, that's a standard faceplate offering. So the next thing we're going to look at is this pump is also connected to a drive. So this is a drive faceplate. So I can get directly at all the drive information. I can see that it's ready. I can look at things like the graphics trend of the variables of the drive. I can also look at the drive severity indications, the log, if we need to look at that without having to look at the drive. All that is available inside the faceplate. And so I'm going to go ahead and close that down. And go back to my home screen. I can tell that the pump is still in maintenance mode. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put pump 2 back in normal operation, as you see here. So it will no longer be in maintenance mode, and it will go back into its pump bank control. And so once that goes back in, I'm going to go back to the home operation screen and notice pump 2 is back in operation as it was before we started our maintenance. And notice the steady state of the operation was not affected at all. So that kind of concludes the pump control demonstration. And now I want to show you a valve faceplate, and we'll see some variables here. As you can see, this valve is currently closed in operation. This valve goes on and off during the process. But I'd like to go into the maintenance tab and show you some of the valve statistics that are available, again, in a standard faceplate. So you have things like stroke attempts. How many times has the valve opened and closed? And then details like how long does the valve take to open? How long does the valve take to close? And what's the maximum time for those? Also the total number of opens and closes. And then if there's any time that the valve failed to open, that also gets logged here. So very useful information that's available on these faceplates. And so I'm going to go back in normal operation and close down the faceplate, and that's going to conclude our demonstration today.
Thank you for viewing this presentation. If you have any questions, please contact your local sales representative or contact us online.